Man, I hate weeds. Woke up one morning and this giant weed was here in my bed of produce. The peas, the potatoes, the tomatoes, the green onions, and then there was this weed. Well, I pulled it up just so you know. Because I'm like, nah, it has to be a weed. You know, what else could it be? And I pulled it up to get rid of it. And look what it is. A lovely radish. Do you remember this radish? Of course, it's been eaten a little. You can see that the worm went all the way through. I don't know. Maybe we will eat parts of it. Look at that. Isn't that interesting? I wonder if you can eat radish greens. Pretty, huh?